Okay, loves, this is for Lisa. Welcome back to Homebody. I am your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm giving you a brief tour of my Aqua coastal living room. I'm gonna call it coastal tropical because I do have a few tropical items in the space for this video. Of course, we couldn't let the summer go by without me doing Aqua in this room, and I'm also gonna do a couple of my other favorite colors in the room before the summer is over. Okay, so let me just tell you what I have going on. I'm gonna start with this side of the room, starting with the drapes. The drapes are from 2-page curtains. Those are custom drapes. They're velvet, they're gray, and they don't have the lining on the back because I didn't want all the light to be blocked out, so I didn't get the line, and they're 108 inches. My rods are from Bed Bath & Beyond. Here in Houston, Bed Bath & Beyond has closed down. They're double rods. That's why I like them, because I like to keep the sheer white shears in the back, and I'll change my main drapes out from time to time, but for the most part I'll keep the sheer in the back. This wall art here is from Ross or Home Goods. This beautiful flower here, let me lighten it up. This flower here, it's like an aquish, tealish looking color. You probably can't tell because it's late in the evening here in Houston, and I needed to get this video out this week. This is like an aquish teal looking color. These are from Z Gallery. I've had these for several years, and one bushel, let me just show you how one bushel looks. Here I am taking things apart, right? So this is how one bushel of these looks. It's on a string here, and you can see my husband sitting on the porch. He's just getting off work, so he's sitting on the porch having him a cold one. He's like, I'm chilling this evening. So let me lighten that up. So yeah, that's how that is. Then I have these beautiful 3 vases there. Those vases I've had for several years. Those are from Z Gallery as well. I don't think they no longer sell those. My chair is from Wayfair. I will link that, is available. This particular pillow here is from Home Goods, and this throw is from Z Gallery. I actually did something different in the room. I had the coffee table and end tables here in my family room. I moved them in my living room for the rest of the summer, and I put them back in my family room for the fall. So these coffee table and end table set is actually from Rooms to Go. I'm probably not going to be able to link those because I've had this set for several years. The lamps are from Home Goods. The super cute little coral reef thingy here, this is from Z Gallery, and I've had this for several years as well. Isn't this adorable? I love this color. I love this color. The box here, also from Z Gallery. You'll never guess what that is. This is actually a jewelry box. Look at that. And I usually have it in my master bedroom, and I would use it to store my remote controls when I have Aqua in that room. But for this purpose, it's a decor purpose, for a different purpose in my living room. All my decorated books came from a young lady over on Instagram. I can't even remember her name right now because I haven't heard from her in a while. But I will link her website in the video, in the description box. My pillows on my longer couch are from Z Gallery, the Mongolian fur and those Z Gallery exclusive pillows. Couch is from Rooms to Go. Wall art is from Home Goods. The sconces on the wall is from Z Gallery. Let me see if I can lighten this up. I lighten it up just a tad bit. So stepping back here, the actual ellipse vases are from Z Gallery. Candle holders on the side from Amazon. I will link those. These are very, very nice candle holders. Now, Before you order them, just know that these candle holders are plastic. They're not glass. They're plastic. And when you light these up, they actually turn. I think I need batteries right now. I'll try to put some batteries in there before the video is up. But if I forget, charge it to my head, not to my heart. But they change colors. It goes from like red to blue to purple and pink, I think. Now, my alligator bookends, also from Z Gallery, had that for several years. The little boxes that's underneath my coffee table are from Home Goods. And these are actually boxes. Oops, I just flopped down on the couch. So these are actually boxes. So, and yeah, these are from Home Goods. And I've had these for several years. Now moving up, my mirror, Z Gallery, several years. The little circle decorative object there, also from Z Gallery. I've had it for like, I want to say, since I've been on YouTube, probably one of the first things that I actually purchased from Z Gallery, and I held on to that because I love the color. The the accent cabinet from At Home, accent chair table over there, Z Gallery. Chain-link vase from CB2. The pampas grass is from either Michael's or Amazon. I did get some from Michael's and I did get some from Amazon. I can link the ones that I did get from Amazon. You can actually see it's two different sets here because of the stem. One's from Michael's, one's from Amazon. But they are super, super cute. So my rug is from Well Woven Rugs. The starfish that you see are from Home Goods. And so I'm going to turn around so you can see my entryway. My chandelier, my bracelet pendant light is from ET2 Lighting. While our here is from Home Goods or Ross. Now, this is something different here. I just used all the vases that I could pick up and bring in here. I'm like, you know, I'm going to do a multiple set of vases here, which I do see in some people's homes where they just fill their entryway table up with decorations and vases. So I decided to do that in this particular setting. So this middle vase here is from Z Gallery. This set, Z Gallery. This candle here is from Thomas Ferrier over on Instagram. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. My entryway table itself is from Rooms to Go, but you can get your hands on it at Walmart. Now, I'm going to place the link below to it. If you're interested in it, grab it because it doesn't stay in stock very long. Both of those decorated bowls are from Z Gallery. I love these because they're so unique. You see how it has the little holes, and there's a hole in this one as well, and how they're shaped and formed. I love unique decor. And moving over on this side, this particular vase here is from Home Goods. I've had it for a couple of years. Pulled it out my shed. These flamingos are from Home Goods. These are from Amazon, and this one here is from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'll link these if I can find them, but I love this set just because, let me show you. It comes with, I don't know if this comes 2 in a set or 1 in a set, but this is kind of really pretty. I like how it's heavy, and if you put it in a vase, it just flows out. But this vase here is really too big for this particular piece, but I use it anyway. You can see that it's around 8 o'clock here in Houston. The exact is actually 7:57 right now. Now, I didn't mention where these candles came from. This is a spring. This is one of those Luminaire spring collections. It's a company that I partner with candles, and I'll place a link below for these candles. They come in different colors. You can get them in pink, purple, aqua, and things like that. And I hope that everyone enjoyed that video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.